guys, welcome to Cooking with Mimi, and today I have a very special guest, my nephew,
Brad.
And today we're going to make his favorite vegetable, which is
asparagus.
Asparagus. Asparagus?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
So we're going to make sauteed asparagus.
Today we have asparagus, garlic, butter, black pepper, salt, and oil.
First, we're going to start off by cutting the ends of the asparagus. Safety first. Do we use knives, Bradley?
Yeah. No.
Who uses a knife?
Adults. Only adults. Here's an explanation. Kids can't use knives because probably they can get hurt or be cut. Only adults can use it because they're more careful and know how to do it more.
Alright, let's get started. So we're just gonna cut about 3 inches. And then we're just gonna throw this out and put this off to the side. Next, we're going to mince our garlic and then just gonna give it one good smash and then start mincing. Now that we have our minced garlic, we're going to start the heat on medium-high. Bradley, who is only allowed to start the heat?
Adults. Another explanation, kid. You should never start the heat because probably you would play with the fire. One, that's not good to do, and you'll be burned.
You'll get burned.
You'll get burned.
Okay.
Okay, so don't play with fire.
Alright, as Bradley said, we do not play with fire. Only an adult is allowed to light up the stove, okay? Turn on the stove. So now we're going to add the butter. Bradley, can you do that?
Yes.
Just throw it in. And then we're going to add
some oil.
2 tablespoons of oil. And we're going to add our
minced garlic.
Correct. And then we're just going to give that a stir.
A little teaspoon stir.
Alright, we're going to give it a stir. Wow, that's looking really good, Brad.
And it's smelling really good.
So we're gonna wait till our butter is melted before we add the asparagus.
Swish off here, swish off there.
Alright guys, our asparagus is finished. Now we're just going to plate it. I'm gonna use... Oh, look at that. How does that look, Bradley?
Good.
Oh man.
Actually, maybe I think you're the best cooker. Alright guys, here we have our finishing product, a sauteed asparagus. And it smells real good.
Alright guys, so Bradley's going to taste test an asparagus.
Tastes real good.
Alright guys, thank you for watching Cooking with Mimi. Today I had so much fun filming with my nephew Bradley. See you back next time. Let me know down in the comments below if you want to see more of him. And be sure to
like, subscribe, and share.
And comment.
And comment down below and press the notification button if you missed a video.
High five. And we out.
I'm done.
How do you do it? Alright guys, Bradley's teaching me how to dab. How do you do it, Brad?
This is how you dab, people. Do. Like this. And this is how you do floss.
No, turn this way. How do you do it? We're only sticking to one thing, dabbing. How do you do it?
Like that.
Like this?
No, like this.
Stop.